All right, so it is Friday. What's the date? 2nd? We are drifting the Lone Star. We, as in I'm drifting the Lone Star drift event tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday as well. So we will be taking this guy to the Ridge. So there hasn't been very many drift events at the Ridge. They don't really allow drifting on the road course. There's been a few people that have done drifting before, but not a whole lot. So there's a skid pad that we're mostly going to be on, and then a select few people will be allowed to go onto the road course. So I'm hoping that I'm one of those. But yeah, car's ready to go. We adjusted all the valves yesterday. Didn't film any of that, so sorry about that, but pretty excited. Carlton unfortunately can't go. He's gonna be working on his car all weekend, so it's just Kayla and I getting loaded up right now. It's crazy how much goes into loading up a trailer. I mean, I've been going out this for just loading this trailer right here for about 30 minutes, and it's absolutely packed just for one weekend away drift event. Spare parts, cooler, beer, Gatorade, Coke, all my safety gear, all Kayla's safety gear, spare tie rods, exhaust in case they yell at me, jack stands, all my tools, all my spares, all my fluids, spare helmet, or not spare, but all my ratchets and wrenches, tools. It's just a lot of work that goes into all this. So it's fine though, it's fun. It's drifting, right? Good morning. Little bit behind, but 15 minutes isn't bad. Got to make it there by the driver's meeting by 9 o'clock. Kayla's coming out right now. We're gonna get out of here. It's early. Making decent time, but we got a little accident over here.
Yeah.
Oh no, Toyota Camry burnt down to the ground. Good morning, Kayla. Kayla does not like to get up early, but she loves me and she loves drifting, so it's okay. Making pretty good time. Should be there in about an hour. Passing through Tacoma right now. There it is. Looks like there's a line to get in, but it is what it is. Made it with plenty of time. Got here early.
Yeah, I could have slept for another hour.
Found a little issue. Found out where our breakup issue is. Check out the battery. The hold down, slip down.
Signal that you need mufflers.
Battery tie down, slip down, and it's gonna be causing some issues. Just stole it off the door, so it'll do for the meantime. I've never even tightened. I mean, obviously I tightened this the first time, but this is something that you don't really check. So I've never really checked it, but it's all good. We caught it. We figured it out. There was no fire, so that's all good. Could have been worse. So. Well, that was a blast. We had so much fun. I haven't done a road course since ORP, so that was a freaking blast. This track is insane. And just coming for that, I mean, one set of tires totally makes this whole thing worth it. Still having some issues with the car. We got a really bad exhaust leak now. Still having issues with the fuel. Motor just doesn't quite sound right, so got to try to get that all figured out. Also doesn't quite feel like full power's there, so maybe I will check, make sure all the plug wires are on, make sure we're not down a hole, and try to get it figured out, man. Other than that, we were having a blast. Track's awesome, so happy I can. So far so good. Fixed the exhaust leak on the header, just had to run a bolt through there. Car feels like it's back on full power. I'm not saying that the exhaust leak fixed that, but got all the float bowls full. I think one thing I need to do is turn up the idle a little bit. When I'm handbraking and basically coming to a stop, it's just kind of falling on its face. And kind of checked everything to try to figure out what it was, but it sounds like I'm gonna turn up the idle a little bit, see if that helps for when I let completely off the throttle, and try to keep the RPMs a little bit higher. I've been having to basically feather the throttle every time I pull the handbrake, so still having fun. Just did our last session on the big track, and it's a blast. All right, day one is over. It was an absolute blast. Bunch of issues with the car, got it all figured out. Heading to the casino for the night, and we will start back up tomorrow for day two. All right, day two. Take a look. We're here. They're already out drifting. We did miss the driver's meeting. Kind of did it on purpose because we were hanging out, having a blast at the casino. Had a good morning. So I think what we're gonna do is we are just not gonna drift on the big track today, which is totally fine. It's gonna be fun. I think I'm not too worried about it. We'll just end up drifting on the little skid pad that they got here. So should be a good time. Can't wait.
Isn't here to be his crew chief. We run out of gas.
So I forgot gas right as we went out. I'm an idiot. Don't know how I forgot that. And then right when I get out, there's a car stopped on the track, so we're under red. What's up? Side skirt?
No, our timing loop is right there.
Oh, okay.
Last time it looked awesome. You did a burnout right across.
Oh, shoot.
But it peeled it up. It's just because ours is stupid. We just put the asphalt down. We're still working at
oh.
So it's taped down.
Go way past.
So in the future,
yeah,
just do a burnout like 3 feet.
I'm so sorry, man.
It's all chill. Like I said, it looks sick, and I know that's
yeah.
what you guys do. So
sorry, buddy.
awesome. No problem.
Yeah.
I taped it back down.
My bad. I won't do it again.
Thank you very much.
All right. I got in trouble already, but that's okay. It was an accident. So anyways, I forgot gas, and now there's a car stopped on track, so they're under red, so we're stopped. Hopefully we were able to get back out there. We'll see.
Thoughts on day two?
Day two's been great, man. Didn't get that much runs in the big track, but it was still fun. Skid pad's been great. Just had a really good run with Trenton from White Plate. You guys will see him on Drift Week with us, so he's a great driver, and that was a blast. Changing tires to some FD takeoffs, the Achilles 123s, and then we are gonna get on the big track.